again. What do you see?
Okay, it's moving.
It got a little jiggle to it. Welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. What you waiting on? Alright, you guys, yes, I'm driving, and being on your phone is dangerous. Do not do it. Okay. So anyways, you guys, so yeah, driving on your phone and driving while on your phone is dangerous. Do not do it, okay? Don't do it. All right, you guys. So, I just wanted to get that off my chest real fast because I don't want the people thinking, you know what I'm saying? She just thinks it's okay to be driving and vlogging at the same time. I think it's okay for me. I don't think it's okay for other people, but here we are. So, anyways, you guys, my morning is starting off pretty rocky. Thank you guys for tuning back in. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey again. Y'all. Why when I got back home, okay, so I didn't even tell, okay. Whenever I went outside this morning, okay, I woke up at 6, I went out to the gym, I was going to the gym around 6:45. When I got out there, I noticed when I got in the car, my tire pressure said it was low. Okay, cool. So, I get out the car, hold on. Why when I get out the car, I look around, you know what I'm saying? I see 2 of the tires that could possibly be a little lower than the other 2. So I'm like, okay, you know, it's nothing. You know, I'm not really tripping because I'm like, you know, hey, it's a tire. You know, but, you know, sometimes, and honestly, it didn't look that low for me to have to, like, go put some air in that moment. It didn't look like it was in dire need. And it just came on, so I didn't think it was in dire need. Okay, I'm just giving y'all the backstory. So anyways, y'all, why I decided to go ahead and drive to the gym, right, on these tires. Not thinking much of it, was driving the same. So again, I'm not tripping. So why whenever I drive back from the gym, now the gym is 15 minutes from me. So why whenever I drive back from the gym, I get home, I was only there for an hour, so I'm at home for at least an hour and a half. I'm trying to be on time for work today. I was really trying. And I get outside while the fucking tire is flat. This was like at 9:40. So I was like, okay, because I'm only 15 minutes from my job. So I'm like, okay. This is what you want to do right now? This is what you want to do? So I'm over here like, what the fuck am I going to do? Because the front tire, it kind of looked the same. Looked like it was a little, it looked the same. But the back tire was like flat. So I'm like, where am I finna go? Am I finna drive it somewhere? I'm just outside with my bags and shit looking like a damsel in fucking distress. I'm just looking so confused. So next thing I know, after like 10, 11 minutes, my neighbor comes, a neighbor, I guess this is a new neighbor, I've never seen this person before, and they come outside and they put some air in my, and they, not put some air, but they gave me, well, they didn't give me, they used this little tire, I guess, electric pumper machine, and they let me use it. Well, he showed me how to use it, and then I tried to use it myself, because I just wanted to learn, to see how it worked. But, yeah, I thought that was really cool. I was like, damn, you are a lifesaver, because I was really about to get in my car and just start driving on it and try to figure out the closest tire place, which there was a tire place that was up the street, but I was like, you know, I was just going to try to make it, you know what I'm saying? But here I am with my tire pumped, taking my late ass to work. All right, Alright, y'all, so we are at work. I meant to let y'all know when we got to work that we was at work, but when I got to work I had to literally get to work. So I finished 2 clients. Both of them had 2 services, manicure, pedicure. Well, no, my first one was a shellac manicure, deluxe pedicure, and gel polish. My second was a freestyle full set, and I gave her a basic pedicure with gel polish. So far today I was only able to rack up, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know, I've only been able to rack up $350. I need at least $150 for me to feel like I did something today. But anyway, I brought my lunch, y'all. Y'all know I've been going to the grocery store and stuff, so I brought my lunch. I got me this healthy choice. Yesterday, y'all missed it because yesterday what I had a Caesar salad. I had a salmon Caesar salad in my new salad bowl, but I'm gonna let y'all see it next time. Today we're gonna use the healthy choice grilled chicken marinara with Parmesan. This is so fire. So I'm finna go warm this up in the back, y'all. They back there just chit-chattering anyway. So we finna go back there and warm up our food. It smells hot back here. No, today's not a salad day.
This is your way anyway.
It's I'm warming up something.
No, I ain't cooked that.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Now she took my phone. No, yes, I'm vlogging. Y'all are on the vlog.
I know I'm on the vlog.
Y'all on the vlog. Y'all want to do my vlog. Actually, this shit is pretty fire, but you know. I got my own with salt and pepper in the pack. Saving money, and I'm getting ready to go on my trip. Y'all gotta
see shit like that. Bitch, I heard my early. I said, girl, we went to the gym. You went to the gym for 2 hours.
hold on. You see it? Do it again. Let me see.
Okay,
It got a little jiggle to it. Jiggle jangle. I could bend it all the way over though. And shake it. And I can make it clap. And go and bend over. Okay, I'm done. I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Not literally, it's in the ankle. And last night I was high as hell, y'all, and I was in the mirror, and I was looking at my ankle, and I was doing it, and I was doing it like this at first.
Y'all don't throw shit like this away. Bro, we got the fattest bag in the world.
But it is shit,
baby. It
ain't got no Louisiana hot sauce in it. It ain't got no Louisiana hot sauce in it though.
Yeah, I used those. I think I used last week.
It's none of my concern.
What a girly. I'm sorry. You ran off? No. When I stepped on my chair, I only seen her nails that were off. She got 4 nails that's still on it.
I said, why you look so stressed?
So I'm like, damn, I wish I had seen this. Damn, I wish I ain't seen no nails on here, but I was like, damn. Yeah, she can't do it. I tried to pay attention, but I didn't. I need to spread out this shit. To me, it be killing me. Like, I know it's nothing, but like, people be wanting stuff like that shit. Why you gotta pick a person? Like, I get it, but like, yeah, you right. You could have been out there, but everybody can't do that. Which, yeah, that's why I get it too, though, because you might like.
Let me cut the vlog before the ladies get shady. Alright, you guys, we are back home. We have a box because we have something that got delivered today. So, a few days ago, Brandon Blackwood, if y'all don't know about him, y'all need to get into it. He is an up-and-coming luxury handbag designer, okay? And he is based out of New York. And he black. So, you know I gotta support. And his handbags are just so freaking cute. Like, they're really cute. Like, I really like them. And so, like, he had a 40 to 50% off private sale going on this past weekend. And so, you know, your girl had to shop. Your girl had to shop, okay? Like, I'm so excited, y'all. So this is gonna be a pink trunk. This is gonna be my second bag from him. This is gonna be the mini pink Kendrick trunk. Oh, okay. I want you girls to see it, cause I can tell already. Oh my god, y'all, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Y'all, I love this. Oh my god, I just love this. This is so cute. So I don't know if y'all know what terry cloth feels like, but it kind of feels like a soft jean material in my opinion. But y'all, this bag is so soft. And I'm gonna show y'all my other bag that I got from him. This is a regular Kendrick trunk. This is the chocolate brown pony hair bag. So I'm gonna let you see the inside of this because I'm not ready to open this one up yet. I be forgetting how to open this bag though, I ain't gonna lie to you. I think it's like, yeah, okay. So what you do is you open it like this. It's just so cute. It has like, there's like no pockets or anything on the inside. It's literally like a suitcase. It's just like a trunk purse. Like you just throw everything that you need up in there and then close it. And I just love how this feels. Like it actually has pony hair on it, y'all. Like it's so cute. I love this material. But this is the regular. So I'm gonna stand them side by side. This is the regular. This is the mini. You see that? And I love this little mini bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, y'all, this is so cute. But anyways, you guys, we had a great day at work today. It was honestly, it was pretty steady. It was pretty straight. Like, you know, it just wasn't a bad day. We had a really, really good day at work today. Other than that, I don't even know what else to say. I was supposed to be going out to dinner with my mama tonight, but she wanted to go to Houston's. But I made a reservation for tomorrow because we couldn't get in today. And I think she's talking about going for margaritas. So if she hit me up, then I'm gonna go with my mama for some margaritas or something. I don't know. But for now, I mean, I'm gonna just chill in the house for the rest of the evening. Probably wind down. My body's a bit sore because, you know, I've been back working out on a regular basis. And, you know, I probably just want to relax. Might work on a YouTube intro. Might do something like that. I don't know. All right, y'all. So before we end this vlog, I wanted to share with you guys something that I find to be very delicious. These right here. These beef franks right here with the Parmesan. With this Parmesan truffle on top, baby. Yes, y'all. I know the fresh market is like a little pricey. And it is pricey. But I enjoy, like, the food is like really good up there, to be honest with you. Like, especially depending on the one that you go to here in Memphis. But I put like a little olive oil drizzle on my little olive oil thing that y'all saw me purchase on my haul, my Amazon haul. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to eat 5 of these, and then I'm about to make me some broccoli. Make me some broccoli, and we're gonna end this night, y'all. My mama, we did not end up going out. I thought I was gonna go out with my mom, like, for drinks or something. Well, I told her to call me, but she didn't, and she didn't answer her phone when I called her, so whatever. So we're just gonna eat these, and we're gonna make some broccoli, and that is gonna be our dinner for tonight. And I need to figure out what I'm gonna actually like cook. Like, I really want to make like a really good Cajun pasta, or if I do, I don't know. It's either like I'm gonna make a Cajun pasta, or I want to make like some meatloaf. I've been thinking about like meatloaf with cabbage, macaroni and cheese, and some cornbread, or a good roll. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat. I don't know. But I'm gonna cook something real soon though. But anyways, yeah, let me finish cooking my dinner for tonight though. All right, you guys, this is what it's giving. I ain't gonna lie, them look good. So I'm gonna try one just for y'all. I'm gonna try one just for y'all, okay? You know, it smells really good. It feels like it's still too hot. I hate when my food hot. Oh, cool. That's good. All right, you guys. So that is the ending to this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for tuning in and coming, you know, with another day with me. Day in the life of a nail tech, you know what I'm saying? Not doing nothing but working. So yeah, like I said, I'm really not, honestly, just being real with y'all, for the next couple of weeks, I'm really not gonna be doing too much until my birthday, because I'm really trying to stack my coin, save as much coin as I can, and just get ready for these birthday looks. But I am still gonna continue to vlog, because guess what, things happen every day, and I got some hauls coming for you guys. So yeah, and I got some appointments I'm about to get ready to go to. I just scheduled my hair appointment. Y'all, I'm gonna get my hair, y'all are gonna see this, like, the girl is gonna be slayed, okay? So I'm gonna get that done. I have some things that, you know, I'm setting up, like I got going. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, just get prepared for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and edit these vlogs, and so y'all can see them today, okay? All right, you guys, have a good night. Bye.